Hey YouTube fan, this is your girl SJ here. And I was looking at my water here in the sink. And as you can see, the stopper is up. But my water keeps just sitting there. And it's taking forever to drain. Do you all have that problem? Well, I think I've got an idea to fix it. But I'm going to see if it's going to work. And let's check it out. Okay, so finally the water went out. And so I'm going to use some baking soda. I don't know if this is going to work, but what the heck. And then I have some lemon juice. It just happens to be the organic kind because I get these big old bottles, 2 of them in the Costco, like $5. I'm going to add that. I knew it would cause a reaction, so I was going to try it. And we're just going to let that sit there. You see that? That shit must work because, you know, earlier the water didn't go down like that. What the hell? Okay. Wow. My regular water don't go down like that. What the heck is this about? I like it though. Alright, well. Crap, I like that idea. Hold on, y'all. Put a little bit more on there. Look at that. Alright, so even though it went down as fast as it did, I'm going to let it sit for a minute. And then I was going to come back. But as you can see, it's moving. It moved faster than the regular water did. So I'm thinking this is a good deal. So we'll be back in a little bit. Just want to see it finish going out of here. Okay, so now it's acting like it normally do, getting a little stuck. I hope I didn't screw up my pipes, y'all. I'll hear a noise dropping pretty soon if I did. Okay, so I'll be back. I'm going to give it about 30 minutes and come back. Actually, quite a few hours later. And let's see. Does it really work?
So much. Thank you. Only 2 days since then, had no contact of any kind. They felt a little used. We wanted to give them some space.
Yeah, if you ask me, yeah, I don't see a difference right now. So it did not work for me. Maybe there's something else that I need to try. So if you have any ideas, please comment below and let me know what you think would work. All right, thanks for watching. Have a great day.